ओके अगेन पार्ट 3 क्वेश्चन तो फर्स्ट वीडियो ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ 12 ਕਿਉਂ ਡੀਲ ਕਰ ਲਏ ਸੀ ਮਕਰ ਪੀਡੀਐਫ ਚ ਕਿਉਂ ਨੰਬਰ 13 डिस्क्राइब अ पीस ऑफ गुड एडवाइस टू गिव टू समवन तो कोई भी पीस ऑफ एडवाइस है तो उसके इसमें देता होवे तो पार्ट 3 क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू एडवाइस डील कर रहे हैं पहला क्वेश्चन डू यू थिंक दैट पेरेंट्स शुड गिव एडवाइस टू द चिल्ड्रन
Definitely, from my perspective, parents should give advice to the children because parents are first teacher for the of the children, as well as parents give always good advice to the children because which are very conducive for their future.
ओके ठीक है कंटेंट और बढ़िया थोड़ा प्रेजेंट करो बढ़िया सीगा जो पॉइंट्स है थोड़े और डूंगे होने चाहिए ठीक है सेम क्वेश्चन डू यू थिंक दैट पेरेंट्स शुड गिव एडवाइस टू द चिल्ड्रन
Definitely, from my perspective, parents should give advice to their children. Due to many reasons, firstly, I would like to mention that parents have experience and due to this, they can give a proper and good advice to their children. And secondly, parents are very non connected with their with their child, and they always give a good advice to them.
और भी हो सकता है क्वेश्चन का डू यू थिंक द पेरेंट्स शुड गिव एडवाइस टू द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ कोर्स पेरेंट्स शुड गिव पेरेंट्स जो गार्डियंस कह सकते हैं ऑफ कोर्स गार्डियन शुड एडवाइस देयर चिल्ड्रन एज दे हैव द लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस दे आर मोर एक्सपीरियंस दे आर मोर वाइज मोर इंपॉर्टेंटली दे हैव ऑलरेडी सीन ऑल द फेज ऑफ देयर लाइफ सो दे कैन एडवाइस द चिल्ड्रन जितने लोग बहुत थोड़ा स्लो करके बोलना होगे ऑफ कोर्स गार्डियन शुड एडवाइस देयर चिल्ड्रन as guardians are more experienced than their children they are more wise even they have already seen all the phase of their life so they can advise their children सर मतलब जो कंटेंट है थोड़ा थोड़ा डूंगा होना चाहिए ठीक है ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू डू यू थिंक दैट टीचर्स शुड एडवाइस द स्टूडेंट्स
Yes, of course. According to my perspective, teachers should advise their children because by teacher advice, then student can easily pass the exam, and also teacher have a more knowledge, and while they giving knowledge to the student, then it can easily.
ओके नो प्रॉब्लम एक बार फिर स्टार्ट करो थोड़ा लाउड बोलो ठीक है ना मैं हमेशा कहना हूं ना कि ट्राई करो कि अपना ਉੱਥੇ पोटेंशियल शो करो क्योंकि अगर ਤੁਸੀਂ पोटेंशियल शो करोगे लाउड बोलोगे फ्लुएंटली बोलोगे ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਖੁਦ ਨੂੰ ਫੀਲ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਵਧੀਆ ਇੰਪੈਕਟ ਰਹੇਗਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੂਜੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਥੋੜੇ ਯੂਨੀਕ ਹੈ आंसर तो ट्राई करो कि जोर ला के थोड़ा आंसर देना दोबारा फिर बोलो डू यू थिंक दैट टीचर्स शुड एडवाइस द चिल्ड्रन
Yes, of course. According to my perspective, teachers should advise the student because teacher is the second parent, second mother of a child, and the teacher should also have a high knowledge about the studies. And when they give advice to the student, then they can easily pass the exam, and also they.
और बढ़िया हो सकता है थोड़ा more potentially बोलो और क्वेश्चन का डू यू थिंक दैट टीचर शुड एडवाइस द स्टूडेंट्स एब्सोल्युटली अगर एब्सोल्युटली नहीं करना आई वुड से यस सर्टेनली डेफिनेटली आई मस्ट से यस तो डू यू थिंक दैट टीचर्स शुड एडवाइस द स्टूडेंट्स I must say yes. The teachers should advise the students as teachers are well educated. They are more wise. Even they know very well that what is good and what is bad for the children. On the other hand, children are not much mature, so teachers should definitely help the students in making good decisions. इससे कुछ नहीं सर okay next question है you do you think that it is necessary for us to listen to the friends advice
Of course, then we listen friends' advice. We get more knowledge as well as sometimes we also get the solution of our problems. We are comfortable with our friends and we can share our all sorrows and happiness with friends.
Question का do you think that it is necessary for us to listen to friends' advice? Of course, it is necessary for us to listen to friends' advice as friends know about our problem more better than anyone else. Even sometimes our friends are more wise than us. Some जो ज़्यादा wise होंगे, they are more mature, so they can help us in making good decisions. Is that your question? Okay. Okay, you. Have you ever received any advice from the professionals like doctors, lawyer, or teacher?
Definitely, I would like to say yes. When I was studying in a 10th standard, at that time my teacher gave me advice related to my study. But then I choose my field. I choose my field which are very conducive for my future as well, and I perform very well in this such field.
क्वेश्चन का कि क्या सीगा मतलब इधर कैसे ही एडवाइस मी व्हाट फील्ड I need to choose, या what field I should choose, तो I should भी आप कह सकते हैं. Question है, have you ever received any advice from the professions like doctor, lawyer or teachers? Yes, of course I have received many advices from the professionals. Here I would like to speak about my 8th standard, the 10th standard. When I was studying in my 10th class, then I was caught by typhoid. And I went to the doctor. He prescribed me, he advised me to take a proper bed rest. He also gave me medicine. और मैं medicine थी उसे था जो उसे टीचर दस रहा हूँ तो उसको ऐसा नहीं कि मैं स्टडी भी ज़्यादा बढ़िया नहीं सी कि 10वीं क्लास तक. So my teacher advised me to study hard so that I can have good future. वैसे चलो एक लास्ट तक क्यों को डील करते हैं. क्यों को नंबर हैगा 14. मकर पीडीएफ च डिस्क्राइब अ रूल दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू यू इन द स्कूल. तो पार्ट 3 क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड रूल डील कर रहे हैं. पहला क्वेश्चन, डू यू थिंक दैट स्कूल्स शुड हैव रूल्स?
Definitely in cutting edge era, schools have many types of rules. So firstly, I would like to mention that discipline is a first rule of the school, and another is a proper uniform. Due to proper uniform, they show the sign of equality, and by living in a discipline, they give a good expression.
चलो बढ़िया सीगा. और बढ़िया हो सकता है क्वेश्चन ये सीगा कि केड़े रूल होंगे हैं. और मैं पूछा डू यू थिंक दैट स्कूल शुड हैव रूल्स, कि स्कूल ਵਿੱਚ रूल होने चाहिए. फिर ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਸ ਦੱਸਣੀ ਹੈ. ऑफ कोर्स स्कूल शुड हैव रूल्स बिकॉज इफ द स्कूल्स वुड नॉट हैव द रूल्स देन द स्टूडेंट वुड बिहेव लाइक एनिमल्स. एंड रूल्स रियली मोल्ड द स्टूडेंट्स. मतलब मोल्ड मतलब सांझे ढालते हैं. इवन व्हाइल फॉलोइंग रूल्स द स्टूडेंट्स रियली गेट टू नो हाउ टू लीड ए ऑर्गेनाइज्ड लाइफ. किदा ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ऑर्गेनाइज्ड ਲਾਈਫ मतलब ਜਿਹੜੇ ਰੂਲਸ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਐਨੀਮਲ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਬੰਦੇ ਚ ਕਨਵਰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੈ. ਤਾਂ ਸਕੂਲ ਨੂੰ ਡੈਫੀਨਿਟਲੀ ਰੂਲਸ ਹੋਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਵਿਦਆਊਟ ਰੂਲਸ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਕੂਲ ਵੁੱਡ ਬੀ ਯੂਜ਼ਲੈਸ ਪਲੇਸ ਹੈ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਇੱਕ ਯੂਜ਼ਲੈਸ ਪਲੇਸ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਕੂਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੂਲ ਹੋਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ. ਇਹ क्वेश्चन. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, what kind of rules do the Indian families have?
Well, there are a number of rules which is the Indian families follow, such as they do not allow to their children to go outside in the night, as well as they always say their children to become a puncher.
Okay, चलो बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है. पार्ट बी क्वेश्चन एक तो 4 नंबर बोलिए. सेम क्वेश्चन, what rules do the Indian families have?
Well, India is a diverse country. There are in Indian families, there are the numbers of rules which are very conducive for the family members, such as the parents do not allow their children to go outside for the night life, as well as always parents teach their juveniles to become punctual, as well, and also not give too much freedom.
Question: what rules do the Indian families have? Well, Indian families have many rules. First, they have the rules to have the meal together. Another rule that Indian family have to is that all the family members have to come back. Do not have to come back very late at the night. Even other rules like respecting elders, speaking politely to each other. जो भी अपने rules हैं Indian family के चाहिए. तो last एक दो क्वेश्चन करते हैं. ये क्वेश्चन. Okay, what kind of rules do people need to follow in the public places?
According to my perspective, the first and the foremost.
थोड़ा loud बोलो. What rules do people need to follow at the public places?
According to my perspective, the first and the foremost rule is that they do not make any noise in the crowd.
They should not.
They should not make any noise in the crowded place and the public place, because when they made noise, then the public irritate from that, because many people come with their family members to spend their quality of time with them. And on the other hand, they should not do anything that makes them irritate, like playing in the parks.
Okay, चलो ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया हो सकता है. थोड़ा लाउड बोलो बच्चे, थोड़ा टेढ़ दा जोर ला के बोलो, पोटेंशियल बोलो, ठीक है, हल्का नहीं बोलना. Same question, what rules do people need to follow at the public places?
When there are a number of rules which is followed by individuals in a public place. Firstly, they should not do noise at public place, because it disturb to other individuals, because majority of the individuals come with their family to spend a quality time. Another rule is that they should not damage डैमेज पब्लिक थिंग्स
ठीक है, और कमांड मेरी करो ताकि होर थोड़ा तेज बोल पाओ, तेज सोच पाओ, ठीक है। होर कमांड थोड़ा नहीं करना। चलो क्वेश्चन का व्हाट रूल्स तुझ कैसे कर दे शुड नॉट डू नॉइस मेक नॉइस नॉइस हमेशा मेक बॉडी फॉर्म दे। क्वेश्चन का व्हाट रूल्स डू पीपल नीड टू फॉलो एट द पब्लिक प्लेसेस, वेल देयर आर मेनी रूल्स दैट पीपल रियली नीड टू फॉलो एट द पब्लिक प्लेसेस। फर्स्ट इज टू कीप द पब्लिक प्लेसेस नीट एंड क्लीन, लाइक द पीपल शुड फॉलो द रूल्स दैट दे should not throw the wrappers or other plastic things in the public places. At the public places, one more rule is is not to smoke at the public places. Like some people they smoke at the public places. Smoke is not only bad for our health but also for the health of other individuals, even not damaging the public properties. These rules are people need to follow. So last question thought. Okay, last question है okay, do you think that students be involved in rule making?
From my perspective, definitely students should be involved into the rule making because students make their rules which are very helpful for their future, as well as they make their rules for the comfortable one.
चलो बहुत बढ़िया हो सकता है, थोड़ा बहुत मेच्योरिटी में आंसर देना। क्वेश्चन का, डू यू थिंक दैट students be involved in the rule making? No, I don't think so that students be involved in the rule making, as I think that students are not much mature that what rules need to be made. On the other hand, the teachers, they are more experienced, even they know very well that what rules they need to make. If the students would be involved, then it would really decline the gap between the tutors and the students. Like students may start disrespecting their teachers, as they can think that they are also very wise, they are more mature than their teachers. So I think that there should be a gap and the students should not be involved. बाकी सब पॉइंट एक और दे सकते कि स्टूडेंट क्यों नहीं इन्वॉल्व करना चाहिए ना, क्योंकि जिदा वो हमेशा अपने वो ज़्यादा ट्राई करोगे कि जो उन्होंने ज़्यादा कंप्लीट हो गए, पर मैं लगता है कि गवर्नमेंट से सिर्फ टीचर के कोई ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस होंगे, ज़्यादा मैच्योर होंगे, ज़्यादा वाइस होंगे, तो सिर्फ टीचर की गवर्नमेंट ने रूल बनाने चाहिए, ना कि स्टूडेंट को बनाने चाहिए। ठीक है, थैंक यू।